Dear students, in this unit of Human and Landscape during Prehistoric Time, we will discuss about the impact of prehistoric humans on the landscape of different ecosystems. Now, humans, ever since they have adapted to different ecosystem on this planet, they have shaping they have been shaping the world's ecosystem for tens of thousands of years. Now, some of the fossil records or the evidences, such as the finds in the Beta Dombalena cave in Sri Lanka tropical rainforest, it shows that humans populated these rainforests as back as 36,000 years ago. So 36,000 years ago, human inhabited even the rainforest and used to live in the caves. Their impact is depicted in different cave paintings as well as different findings, use of different tools, and for the hunting, even the mass hunting that has resulted in a great impact of humans on this planet, and it changed the earth at an the ecosystem and the um, changing of the earth at unprecedented rate has quite impact on the uh, on this ecosystem of these earths even in the prehistoric time. Now, early humans, they have left indelible traces, which means they are still visible in the caves, on the rocks, and these traces are present even before the uh, arrival of Homo sapiens. They were um, these traces were imprinted by the early humans. Now, ever since the discovery of use of fire as well as the over exploitations of large mammals has been recognized as a great impact on world's ecology even 100,000 years back. So when we talk about this, it means that humans, they early humans, they started living in packs or in groups. They started hunting in larger groups. So they started hunting large mammals. The example is one of the extinct woolly mammoth, which existed 100,000 years ago, but as a result of mass hunting by the humans and the use of fire, now so many species they become extinct. So humans, uh, they had a great impact on the Earth landscape even in the prehistoric time. Now, uh, after that, when humans started getting more organized, they started forming small colonies and towns. After that, they started livestock farming. They started growing different crops. Now humans have created entirely a new ecosystem. So the forest, they started disappearing, and then due to the human activity, we have seen livestock farming at mass level as well as the crop farming. This has changed the ecosystems and affected different organisms, flora as well as fauna, and this has resulted as a result of thousands of years of this changing in the ecosystem. Um, it has seen that even the untouched areas of the world, such as the Amazon forest, even those areas have the imprints of the humans, which means still some humans, tribes, they exist in these areas and they have great impact on the ecology of those well preserved or well conserved ecosystems as well.